Once again, the rain is raining on my parade, and it's gonna be raining for the next couple of days apparently. So I'm gonna do my utmost to try and find a place to skate for the next few days. Probably another parking garage, hopefully something quite close by. But I guess we'll find out. Mall parking garage, place number 1. Let's see. Do some skateboarding here. Oh. So excited to tighten my trucks back up. I never thought the day would come. We did the loose truck challenge, now it's the try not to hit your head on the roof challenge. The ceiling's quite low. I'm like skating like this, like the hunchback.
Continue doing it in front of me.
I can hear you. It's kind of noisy, right?
Alright, so as you see, the parking garage should be closed and you guys shouldn't be here.
Oh, we came with that way. There was no signs that way.
If you went downstairs, there should be a sign.
Okay, I didn't see one. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Okay.
I was trying to skate with the rain, you know?
Yeah.
We'll get out of here. Got what, like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
15, 20 minutes? Not bad. That's not a sign saying that it's closed to me, right? The whole world's closed. So obviously the parking garage is closed. That's why I'm skating, it's because it's closed. What about this guy though? Is he getting kicked out? Dude's just chilling there. So I guess skateboarding's not allowed at the parking garage, but sitting in a camp chair reading a book is fine, even though it's literally the exact same thing. If the parking garage is closed, it's closed. There are no signs that say it's closed. That looks like a completely open parking garage to me. He probably assumed we came in right there. That is the only sign. The only sign. So you have to go from that specific area to know that the garage is closed. Mall parking garages are off limit. All right, we're gonna try and see if we find another parking garage around here somewhere. I think malls are probably off limits just because they have security there all the time. No, it's not looking good. Really difficult to find a place to skate during the rain, especially with this current crisis going on and stuff like that. So I think I might just call it a day with the session I got today, as minimal as it was, and then tomorrow maybe do a bit more soul searching, rainy day spot searching. If you guys have any suggestions, leave some comments below of some good places to skate during the rain. But as far as today goes, I am out of ideas because I just gotta go home and sit on my butt.